Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you accidentally deleted a Pinterest board and now you're freaking out, right? Don't worry, there's actually a way to recover it, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process. Step 1. First, you need to log into your Pinterest account on your computer or phone. Make sure you're using the same account where you created the deleted board. If you're on your phone, open the Pinterest app and sign in. On desktop, head over to Pinterest.com and log in with your credentials. Step 2. Once you're logged in, go to your profile by clicking your profile icon. You'll see a menu pop up with different options. Look for the menu that shows your boards or collections. This is where you can see all your current boards and also find options for deleted boards. Step 3. Next, look for a section that says Trash or Recently Deleted. Pinterest keeps deleted boards in a temporary holding area for about 30 days. Click on that section to see what's available for recovery. If your board is still there, you're in luck. Step 4. Find the specific board you want to recover from the list. Look at the date it was deleted to make sure it's the right one. Click on that board and look for a Restore or Recover button. This should be pretty obvious once you find the right board in your trash. Step 5. Click the Restore button and confirm your action. Pinterest will ask you to verify that you want to bring this board back. Once you confirm, the board will be restored to your account with all the pins that were on it. Your board is now back and ready to use.